Alright, this was a fun one. So that metal bar was missing. My ice box was making too much ice. It was overflowing onto my waffles. And getting that bar back in is difficult for me. I mean, everything's difficult for me. But there's a hole on the top corner here. You just gotta pop it back in on both sides. It goes up, it goes down. What goes up must come down. Very hard to do, not easy. But you get the swivelly side in the corner right there. Get the other one in. You might have to bend the pipe a little, but it worked. Spew.